Alright, little mini tutorial. Every time I try to do something, the kid's gonna go nuts in the background, so. Alright, we got an Arduino Nano here. Oh, this is the Chinese knockoff version, but if we can zoom in here somehow, we're gonna see. Yeah, there we go. On the left side, we're gonna have 5 volts ground, and on the right side it's going to be data pins. Where's my finger? There it is. Okay, we're going to use data pin 5. Alright, and you could solder right to them, but I got these little pin connectors that I'm going to be using to push into them. These are just jumper connectors. Your LED strip is probably going to have wires already soldered to it. Mine are off because I've used it already. The little arrow indicates the direction of data flow. So you want to start here and the data goes this way, all the way down the strip. Stop it. Okay, so we're going to be soldering those 3 lines, 5 volts, data and ground, to those lines onto the Arduino Nano. 5 volts, ground, and data. Alright, first I want to get these lines connected on to the LED strip. So the 5 volts is going to be the red line. So I'm going to pre-tin that first. 5 volts. We're going to tin these lines up. Ground, data, 5 volts. Tinned up. Now we'll put the lines on. Try to get this in a way where you can see it here. Alright, 5 volts is on the right. So we're going to tack that on. 5 volts is done. Ground is going to be green. Tack that on right quick. Mama's hair is all over me. Okay, that's done. And last, white for data. Okay. And white for data. Lines are soldered in place. Looking all right, decent anyway. Mama's hair is everywhere. Okay, now we're going to connect those onto the Arduino in the same order. 5 volts, it's right there. So we're going to connect that there. Ground is right here. So we're going to connect that right there. And we're going to use data pin 5, which is on this side.
Wow, cool.
So data pin 5. Should be wearing my glasses. It's right there. 3 lines. Alright. Next step, we're going to the computer to program this. Okay, we're going to start this off from here, right at cults, because I don't know where the file is on my hard drive anymore. So we're going to download the UFO lights.zip file and show in folder, extract it, 7-zip, extract, and we're going to start right from there, UFO lights, and this is the file that you will have. That's going to open with the Arduino IDE. I could double click this and open it right up, but for now, make it easier for you. If you're first time using Arduino, we're going to go in the programs, go into Arduino. Arduino IDE is going to open up. Okay. Alright. File. Open. We're going to go to libraries. Where's my downloads? Quick access, downloads, UFO lights, and open up the file that we got here. Alright, we're going to take a look at the code here. Data pin 5. Alright, that's what we're using. And how many LEDs you're going to use off that strip. That's the two important things. We want to make sure it's connected. So what I'm going to do is connect this to a USB. And I have a cable right here. Alright. Connect that right inside. And that's going to plug right into the computer. Alright. I've already had these programmed for something else, so we're going to wipe that out. So now, I'm going to go to Tools, Port. Let's see what port works. COM3, Sketch, Upload. Let's see if it's going to upload it to that port. Sketch load, building, blah, blah, blah. Sketch. Okay, that was it. The LED strip is already programmed. That was easy peasy. So that's the UFO code right there. Just make sure you got it on the right port. Alright. And that would be under Tools. Of course, it's not going to let me see anything. Tools. Port COM3. That's all there is to programming these. Now if I want to, I can add the whole LED strip here. So let's say I wanted to change how many LEDs. We're going to change this to 60. File, sketch, upload. And it's going to upload it. See it stutter. And now more of the LEDs are going to program. Okay.